Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Homestay Study Mate. To keep yourself updated and to get latest informative videos, subscribe our channel Homestay Study Mate and please press the bell icon to get alert of latest updates.
Hope all of you are well. In today's video, I will discuss important topics related to current affairs 2020. So, let's start the video.
Dear viewers, the first question of our today's presentation is: the longest river ropeway of India has been launched over which river? The options are Brahmaputra, Ganges, Yamuna and Narmada. And the right answer is Brahmaputra. Now moving to the next question, who has been named as the new Election Commissioner of India to replace Ashok Lavasa? And the options are Vivek Debroy, Arvind Panagaria, Rajiv Maharshi and Rajiv Kumar. And the right answer for this is Rajiv Kumar. Next question. Name the winner of the World Snooker Championship 2020. And the options are Neil Robertson, Kyren Wilson, Ronnie O'Sullivan and Mark Selby. And the right answer is Ronnie O'Sullivan. Next, name the first ever US based company to reach the market capitalization mark of $2 trillion. And the options for these: Amazon, Walmart, Apple, Snapdeal. And the right answer is Apple. फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों में जो भी इस चैनल में नए हैं और अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, वो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स पाने के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हिच सिटी हैज़ टॉप्ड द स्वच्छ सर्वेक्षण 2020 रैंकिंग फॉर बीइंग द क्लीनेस्ट सिटी ऑफ इंडिया? ऑप्शंस आर सूरत, चेन्नई, इंदौर, नवी मुंबई। एंड द राइट आंसर फॉर दिस इज Indore. The next question for this presentation is: the Indian Railways are constructing the world's tallest pier bridge in which state of India? And the options are Tripura, Telangana, Odisha, Manipur. And the right answer is Manipur. Which institute has topped the Atal ranking of institutions on innovation achievements ARIIA 2020? And the options are IIT Delhi, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IISc Bangalore. And the right answer for this is IIT Madras. Moving to the next question, government has decided to name the Gwalior Chambal Expressway after which Indian political leader? And the options are APJ Abdul Kalam, Arun Jaitley, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Sushma Swaraj. And the right answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Next question, Satyapal Malik has recently been appointed as the governor of which state? The options are Nagaland, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Meghalaya. And the right answer is Meghalaya. Next, who is the author of the book Full Spectrum India's Wars 1972-2020? Options: Harjit Singh Arora, Ajit Bhabnani, Prithvi Singh Brar, Arjun Subramaniam. And the right answer is Arjun Subramaniam. Moving ahead to the next question, which company has been appointed as the sponsor for the Indian Premier League IPL 2020? Options are Dream 11, Patanjali Ayurved, Paytm, Vivo. And the right answer is Dream 11. Next question, name the e-portal on tribal health and nutrition launched by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. And the options are Swasthya, Sehat, Arogya, Nirog. And the right answer is Swasthya. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the Border Security Force BSF? Options are Sudhir Kumar, Rajesh Ranjan, Udayan Banerjee, Rakesh Asthana. And the right answer is Rakesh Asthana. Friends, our today's presentation is very much important considering the upcoming examinations and considering that we have incorporated so many important current affairs in this video. So please watch this video till the end. Our next question is, which state has topped the Amrut scheme ranking for 2020? And the options are Maharashtra, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. And the right answer for this is Odisha. Moving ahead to the next question, name the country which has conducted the successful testing of its advanced missile defense system Arrow 2. And the options are Germany, Israel, France, Russia. And the right answer is Israel. Next question, Harmal chili and Mandewali banana which have received the GI tag belongs to which state? And the options are Assam, Goa, Maharashtra, Odisha. And the right answer is Goa. Friends, can you tell what is the significance of GI tag? Yes, the answer is the GI tag ensures that none other than those registered as authorized users are allowed to use the popular product name. Here, Darjeeling tea became the first GI tag product in India that was given in the year 2004 and 5. Next question. Soma Mandal has been selected as the new chairman of which public enterprise? The options are SAIL, BHEL, ONGC, GAIL. And the right answer is SAIL. Friends, prior to SAIL, Soma Mandal was the Director Commercial of Nalco, Bhubaneswar. Next question, who has topped the Forbes World's Highest Paid Actors of 2020 list? Options are Dwayne Johnson, Jackie Chan, Akshay Kumar, Vin Diesel. And the right answer is Dwayne Johnson. Moving to the next question, which city in India has become the first to install female symbol at traffic signals and signage to promote gender equality? Options are Mumbai, Bengaluru, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad. And the right answer is Mumbai. Next, Sputnik 5 is known to be the world's first vaccine against COVID-19. Which country has developed the vaccine? Options are France, United States, Russia, Vietnam. And the right answer is Russia. Next, Hassan Diab has stepped down as the Prime Minister of which country? Options are Lebanon, Kuwait, Mali, Jordan. And the right answer is Lebanon. Next question, which Indian state has become the first to get villagers recognized as tsunami ready by UNESCO? And the options are Odisha, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. And the right answer is Odisha. Which country will host the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2021? And the options are Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, England. And the right answer is India. Next question, who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Union Public Service Commission UPSC? The options are Pradeep Kumar Joshi, Bharat Bhushan, Sujata Mehta, Bhim Sen. And the right answer is Pradeep Kumar Joshi. The next question is, who has been appointed as the new Comptroller and Auditor General of India? The options are Satyapal Malik, Radhakrishna Mathur, Anil Baijal, Girish Chandra Murmu. And the right answer is Girish Chandra Murmu. Next question, Which country was the chair of the BRICS Environment Ministers Meeting 2020 held recently? The options are China, South Africa, India, Russia, and the right answer is Russia. Friends, the topics covered on current affairs in this video are very important for upcoming examination. So please do watch the video till the end and stay with us. Our next question is, the new National Education Policy 2020 approved by the government will replace which of these policies? Option A, National Education Policy 1990. Option B, National Education Policy 1986. Option C, National Education Policy of 1980. Option D, National Education Policy of 1999. And the right answer is option B, National Education Policy 1986. Our next question is, name the weather forecasting mobile app launched by the Indian Meteorological Department for the general public, and the options are Mausam, Bharat Forecast, Meghadut, Weather India, and the right answer is Mausam. Next, the 4th edition of the Khelo India Youth Games is scheduled to be held in which of these cities? Dharmasthala, Panchkula, Lucknow, Pithoragarh, and the right answer is Panchkula. Next question. The first ever honey testing laboratory of India has been set up in which state? The options are Gujarat, Haryana, West Bengal, Assam, and the right answer is Gujarat. Who has been appointed as the new Vice President of Asian Development Bank? The options are Ashok Lavasa, Anil Kishora, Geeta Gopinath, Divakar Gupta, and the right answer is Ashok Lavasa. Next question. Indian Railways first cable-stayed rail bridge, Anji Khad Bridge, is located in which state or union territory? Options are Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and the right answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Campaign by Madhya Pradesh state government is for those who do not wear. Option A, helmet, B, car seat belt, C, masks, D, office uniforms, and the right answer is masks. Next question. Name the company which announced $10 billion digitalization fund in India. Options are Facebook, Apple, Twitter, Google, and the right answer is Google. Next question. Lee Hsien Loong has become the Prime Minister of which country? Options are Malaysia, South Korea, Singapore, Norway, and the right answer is Singapore. Next question. Andres Sebastian Duda has won the presidential election of which country? Options are England, Poland, Ireland, Iceland, and the right answer is Poland. So friends, that much was for today's presentation. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like the video and put your valuable suggestion and comments in our comment section. Thank you.